This smooth chocolate spread starts from simple ingredients, but what happens inside the factory is more satisfying than the think.
From raw cocoa and nuts to a creamy spread, every step is carefully designed.
The journey begins in cocoa farms, where the base ingredient is grown.
Inside these pods are cocoa beans which create the chocolate flavor.
Each pod contains beans that go through multiple transformations.
The pods are carefully harvested to protect the beans inside.
Once opened, the beans are exposed for processing. These raw beans are the starting point of chocolate.
The beans are gathered in large quantities.
Before reaching the factory, the beans must be dried properly. Drying helps develop the final chocolate flavor. Once ready, the beans are packed for transport. Now they begin their journey to the factory. But cocoa is only one part of the process. These nuts add richness and texture to the spread. Inside each shell is a flavorful nut used in the recipe.
Hazelnuts are collected and prepared for processing.
Large quantities are needed for production.
These nuts are packed and sent to the factory.
Now both ingredients are on their way to be transformed.
This is where everything comes together.
And now the real process begins inside the factory.
Once inside the factory, the cocoa beans are unloaded in massive quantities, but not every bean is ready to be used. The beans are first transferred into the processing system. Thousands of beans move together through automated lines. Dust, stones, and unwanted particles are removed at this stage. Only clean and uniform beans continue forward. Now the beans are ready for the most important transformation. The beans enter roasting machines where heat unlocks their flavor.
This is where the chocolate aroma begins to develop.
The The heat changes both texture and taste of the beans. Hazelnuts go through a similar cleaning process.
Only the best quality nuts are selected.
Consistency is key for a smooth final product. The nuts are roasted to bring out their rich flavor. This step enhances their natural oils and aroma. The outer skin begins to loosen. After roasting, the nuts are cooled for the next stage. The thin skins are removed to improve texture.
Now the nuts are ready to be transformed.
Now both key ingredients come together in the process. The solid ingredients begin turning into paste. This is the beginning of the smooth chocolate spread. The roasted cocoa beans are crushed into a rich chocolate paste. At the same time, hazelnuts are turned into a smooth nut butter. This gives the spread its signature richness. Now both pastes are combined together. Sugar is added to balance the flavor. Oil helps achieve smooth consistency.
Everything is mixed together under controlled conditions.
The mixture slowly becomes uniform and smooth.
The mixture is refined to remove any grainy texture. This is the texture you see in the final product. The spread is now ready for the final stage. Notice how thick and controlled the flow is.
The shine shows its perfect consistency.
The mixture is stored briefly before filling. This allows the texture to stabilize. Every detail is carefully controlled. Now comes the most satisfying part. Jars are aligned for filling.
Watch carefully what happens next.
Now comes the most satisfying stage where the smooth chocolate spread finally meets the jars. Each jar is filled with precision to maintain the perfect consistency.
This shine shows how perfectly refined the spread is.
This ensures the product stays fresh for a long time. Labels are applied to identify the product. Now the chocolate spread is ready for packaging. Boxes are filled quickly and efficiently. The packed boxes move to the final stage. Automated systems handle large volumes with precision.
Pallets are secured for transport.
Everything is prepared for distribution.
The chocolate spread is ready to leave the factory. Trucks carry the product to stores around the world.
After all these steps, the journey continues beyond the factory.
And finally, the product reaches customers. From factory to your home, the journey is now complete. Watch how smoothly the spoon sinks into the spread. This texture is what makes it so satisfying. It spreads evenly, creating a smooth layer. This is the final result of a long and detailed process. But there is something even more satisfying about this flow. Every drop shows how rich and dense it really is.
Stay with us because the ending is worth it.
Because this is where everything comes together. After this entire process, this is the final result.
Smooth, rich, and perfectly balanced.
If you enjoyed this video, you will love what we show next, so don't forget to like, subscribe for more satisfying factory videos.